Hello, welcome to Claire Technologies. So we have started a new series to let you know what are the capabilities of Anypoint platform and how what are the different things you can do in this Anypoint platform, which is nothing but Cloud Hub. Okay. As part of this series, we will see and we will understand each and every step how we can do Anypoint platform and how we can use in our real-time projects. So if you don't want to miss any update from us, if you are visiting our channel for the first time, please subscribe, share and like our videos, and please subscribe and press the bell button to get the updates whenever we upload these series. Okay, so watch this video till end. I'll show you a couple of more steps like how we can use this Anypoint platform effectively. Before that, before we start the actual topic of today video, creating organization, business groups, um, and creating environments. Okay, so before we are entering into that, let me create a new account, Anypoint platform account, so that will be easy for you to understand as part of organizations. Okay, so to sign up any new Anypoint platform, here you can see like Anypoint platform, anypoint.mulesoft.com. You need to go there and you need to click on sign up button. Okay, then you need to fill this form to create a new account. So I am filling it like Clarity Technologies, and I need to fill my email. You can give any random number. You don't need to give your valid number. And this is the main thing, the company name, whatever the name you are going to give here. With this name, Anypoint platform will create a master organization for you. Okay, so what is this master organization? I will show you once we logged in. But remember, what is the name you are providing here in the form of this company field. Okay, whatever the name you have provided here, with this name, one master organization will be getting created in Anypoint platform. So here I am giving CLAT DEC. So with this CLAT DEC, one business group and one master organization will be getting created by default. And you need to give username here. Here I can say um, CLAT demo DEC22. This is your platform username and password. Okay, and click on I am not a robot, and click on this condition, click on accept and create account. So Clatomo DEC is that my password, sorry, username. So see, what I am talking about the master organization is like, see here, this is the name which I have given while filling that form to create an account in Anypoint platform. So for the company name I have given CLAT DEC. So you can click here, see business group, and this is showing root. Clarity is root means master. With master organization, root organization, it will be created for you by default. In your real-time projects, your project name or client name or your um, your client name or your client organization name will be getting reflected here because they will create this account. In your real-time projects, you will not get access to create these organizations and all as a developer. Okay, so in your real-time projects, they will create an organization for you like this, and they will give access to that organization. I'll show you how you can get access and all. Okay, okay, so in this session, in this video, what we are going to and we are planning to discuss is like to create an organization that we have done the master organization, and we need to create a couple of business groups and different environments. Let's see how we can do that. To do that, as this is the trial account, this is the 30 days trial account, I have administration access for me. But in your real-time project, you will not get administration access. What I meant was, you can just click here in the management center. You will see this access management is one feature. Okay, this will be visible for me and this will be accessible for me because I have created this test account by my own with my Gmail ID. That's why I have got admin access for this Anypoint platform. In your real-time project, once you get access, you will not see this option, access management, because you are not the admin for your account. Your administration team or your ops team will create an account and they will give access only for this organization. So you will not get this button. Okay, so just create a trial account to practice all this stuff, then you will be get good knowledge. Okay, so just click on access management. And inside this access management, this is, if you can see, the first option is the organization. So once you click on that organization, this is the one. By default, with the company name, with the organization, it will create one organization for you. Okay, you can just click on this, it will show you the organization information. This is the organization name and this is the domain. By default it will take all small letters. And owner is Clark Technologies. Owner means the which email id which I have given. So that email id will treat it as an owner. And you will see organization id. This is specific id for this organization. And client id, client secret. This is specific to this particular organization, and wherever required we need to use this client id, client secret in code to access this organization details. Yeah, I'm just click on canceling here. So to create a business groups, how you can do, right? Just click here like add business group, or you can click this plus button. See, add business group for Clarity DEC. So what is business group? First thing, so this is the main organization, right? So in your organization, Anypoint platform will allow you to create more up to 100 or 90 to 100 business groups for you. Okay, so but each business group, like it's a line of business kind of stuff. Like in your organization, you may have different sections. Say for example, in my Technologies, Clark Technologies is my main name, main website name, or main channel name, or main my organization name. In that Clark Technologies, we have provided different modules courses like mulesoft, sap, azure devops, aws, like that. We are going to provide all these courses. Each course is different from one another. I can say mulesoft is one line of business, sap is one line of business for me, and the Azure is another one, AWS is another one. Like that, if in your organization you will have different line of businesses. So for each and every business line of business, you will create a business group. In the specific business group, you will have more in any number of applications to be deployed. But one business group is called like one group of applications with a similar line of business. Okay, so in my case, let's say I have mulesoft and sap, two business groups. So I'll give this business group is like mule trainings, and add the owner. You can give your owner name by default, your Gmail ID, and you will add other contributors later in our series. I'll show you that as well. Okay, so just concentrate on these two sections. Owner can create business groups, like this user can create different another business groups inside this business group. This business group we are creating into this Clark DEC organization. But if someone want to create subsections of this particular MuleSoft trainings business group, they can create. You are going to provide that access for that user. And user can create different environments. I mean, owner can create environments. Yeah, they can create. I am just providing permissions here. Okay. And coming to this one, vCourse. What is vCore and all we will see later. But for now, by default, few vCores will be allocated for your Anypoint platform in order to deploy your applications, in order to manage your applications and all in Anypoint platform. It has by default two different environments, sandbox and design. We need to just select how many vCores we are going to allocate for sandbox environment, and how many vCores we can allocate to design environment for this particular business group. For example, whole your Anypoint platform, they if you got 10 week course, you can just distribute between all the business groups. What are the required as per your application sizes and all number of applications. If you are going to deploy in this particular business group, based on that you need to select the week course size. It is like you can select based on the vCore size, you will manage how many number of applications you are going to deploy and all. It, both are interdependent. I'll explain in detail whenever we come to that particular video. Okay. For now, just I'm allocating 0.3 sandbox vCores and 0.1 design vCores. Just click on add business group. As this is a free account, you will have limited vCourse for you, but in your real-time projects, your client or your organization will get license for this Anypoint platform. So that's based on that license type, they will allocate a couple of number of vCourse and another resources and all. Okay. So yeah. So here under the CLAT DEC organization, I have created mulesoft trainings is one business group. I would like to create another business group which is nothing but SAP trainings, and owner by default I'm adding myself itself only. So I need to check this as well. See, in the 0.7 V course, how many V course you are going to allocate? You have this limit. You will see the limit here. So for this, I'm going to create 0.3. For design V course, I would like to allocate 0.2. Add business group. So just like that, as many as business groups you required as per your requirement, you can create in this way. Okay, that is one thing. Next one, how we can create different environments. So here in the access management, you will find environments here. So what is environment and why we need multiple environments means in your real-time project, in general, we will have different environments like we have dev environment, QA or test, UAT and production. Production environment is the main thing and the final one where we are going to go live our project. And before this prod environment, we will have a couple of lower environments. Okay, dev is the one environment which is useful for developers, where we are going to deploy our application and we can test together with all the remaining dependent stakeholders and all. And then QA or test, this environment is specific to testers in that in some way, like it is like organization to organization this is also get different, but a few organizations will have a QA and UAT different environments, and few organizations will merge these two environments to make only one environment, like that. It depends on your company or your client requirement, but in general, a suggestible way is to have at least four environments: dev, QA, UAT and prod is the final one, and the UAT is the user acceptance test environment. The actual real-time users, couple of real-time users will test this environment. If everything is working fine, once you got the good feedback, then it will be go live to your production environment. So these are the four environments we are going to create in our Anypoint platform. By default, this Anypoint platform will come up with two environments if you have created this fresh account, design and sandbox. So let's remove this environment. Let's create the three environments from scratch. Okay, so click on this, and we will have different environment types. I'll show you how we can do that. So just click on add environment. First environment we would like to add dev, and here the type you need to select sandbox for all the lower environments. Only for the production environment you need to select production. Other than that you need to select sandbox. Okay, create. Then again click on environment. I would like to create a QA and select sandbox, create. And for UAT, sandbox, create. And for production, the environment name would be prod and type is production, because this is the production actual go live environment. So no need to change, just leave it as it is and create. Okay, so this is how we can create different environments in Anypoint platform by using access management feature. And once you create any environment, if you can just click on this environment, each and every environment will have client ID and client secret, unique client ID and client secret. This is specific to specific environment in order to access that particular environment in couple of other cases. What are the cases I will explain in next videos. Okay, I hope this video is useful for you, and you learn something out of this video. So if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to our channel. So in our next series of this, in the next videos of this particular series, we will discuss about all the different features of Anypoint platform, what is design center, exchange and everything. We will see one by one and keep learning. Thank you.